Don't let your youthful appearance fool you. Some 20-year-olds already have spines aging like 60. Today, we reveal the secret to a healthy, youthful back. Modern office life is a silent killer for your posture. Most of us spend 8 hours a day hunched over, destroying our natural spinal alignment slowly. On one side, a resilient, straight spine. On the other, a degenerated column, suffering from chronic inflammation and permanent structural damage from poor daily habits. The pain you feel in your neck and shoulders isn't just fatigue. It is a loud scream from your vertebrae being crushed by constant downward pressure. Are you brave enough to check if your spine is still 20? In just 30 seconds against this wall, your health secrets will finally be revealed. This simple test is used by therapists worldwide to detect early signs of degeneration before they become permanent disabilities. Let us begin the evaluation now. Prepare yourself. This is the moment of truth. Can you hold the perfect posture, or will your body betray the hidden damage within your bones? Your age is just a number, but your spinal health determines your true quality of life. Let's dive into the science of why you are hurting. Why is your spine crying for help? To understand the solution, we must first look at the incredible biology of your intervertebral discs and alignment. When you sit for hours, your spine is compressed like a wet towel being wrung out. Essential fluids and nutrients are squeezed out of your discs. Without fluid, the discs lose their elasticity and shock-absorbing power. This leads to stiffness, excruciating pain, and eventually, the dreaded herniated disc that requires surgery. Did you know your calves are your second heart? They help pump blood and oxygen back up to nourish your spine while you move and walk. When you remain sedentary, this vital pump stops working. Your spine becomes starved of the oxygen it needs to repair itself from the day's stress. Movement is the only way to rehydrate those discs. Without it, the degeneration process accelerates, making a 30-year-old body feel like an 80-year-old one. The result is chronic inflammation and a loss of mobility. But don't worry, the wall test will show us exactly where your specific problems lie. This is the 30-second wall test. We are looking for the 5 essential points of contact for perfect alignment. Step 1. Ensure your heels and calves are touching the wall. Many people find their calves don't touch, which indicates tightness in the lower chain. Step 2. Your buttocks and both shoulder blades must reach the wall without force. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down, away from your ears throughout. Finally, the back of your head should touch the wall easily. If you have to tilt your chin up to reach, your neck is misaligned. These are the 5 contact points. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Do not cheat by sucking in your stomach or tensing your entire body. Now, check the gap at your lower back. You should only be able to fit one flat hand. Any more space indicates an excessive spinal curve. If your lower back gap is wider than a hand's thickness, your pelvis is likely tilted. This puts massive, uneven pressure on your lower lumbar discs. If your head cannot touch the wall without looking up at the ceiling, your cervical spine is in trouble. This is the red alert for degeneration. How many points did you get? 3 points mean a healthy spine. 2 or less indicates that your spine is aging faster than you are. Don't panic if you failed the test today. Most people do. The important part is that we can fix this with 3 targeted opening exercises right now. Let's start with exercise number 3. This one is specifically designed to unlock your chest and rib cage, which are the foundations of good posture. This is called the butterfly opening. Start by sitting tall, feet flat on the floor, and lace your fingers behind your head with elbows wide open. As you inhale deeply, pull your elbows back as far as they can go. Feel the stretch across your chest and the squeeze in your shoulder blades. Focus on the sensation in your upper back. This movement reverses the hunch that happens when we type on a keyboard for hours on end. Warning: do not lean your whole body back. This is a common mistake. Keep your lower back still and only move your chest and shoulders. Isolate the movement to your thoracic spine. Imagine your breastbone is lifting up toward the sky, while your belly stays firm and supported by your core. This dual action stretches the tight muscles in front and strengthens the weak muscles in the back. It is the perfect recipe for an upright posture. Hold the open position for 5 seconds. Breathe into the tightness. You might feel some tension, but it should never be sharp or painful for you. Now, Exhale and bring your elbows together in front of your face. This counter stretch helps mobilize the vertebrae and increases blood flow to the area. Repeat this 10 times. Each repetition should feel a bit smoother and deeper than the last. You are literally melting away hours of office stress. Remember, the breath is the key. Inhale to open and expand. Exhale to close and relax. This rhythm calms your nervous system while fixing your bones. Look at the difference. Even after 1 minute, your lungs have more room to breathe, and your head sits more naturally over your strong shoulders. Now that we've opened the chest, we need to address the compression in the discs themselves. Exercise number 2 is the spinal rebirth twist. Sit at the edge of your chair. Your feet must be flat and wide to provide a solid base for this rotational decompression movement sequence. Place your right hand on your left knee. Reach back with your left hand and grip the side or back of your chair for leverage. Slowly rotate your torso. Imagine your spine is a spiral staircase growing taller as you turn. Do not slouch. Keep your crown reaching for the ceiling. This gentle rotation creates a vacuum effect inside your discs. It pulls moisture and nutrients back in, reversing the dry sponge effect we discussed earlier. Hold this for 3 deep breaths. With every exhale, see if you can rotate just 1 millimeter further without any straining or sharp pain. Slowly unwind back to the center. Never snap back. The transition is just as important as the stretch itself for protecting your delicate nerve endings. Now repeat on the other side. Balance is crucial for spinal health. We must ensure both sides of your back muscles are equally flexible and resilient. Keep your weight even on both sit bones. Many people lean to the side while twisting, which can actually cause more harm than good for alignment. The twisting motion acts like a pump for your lymphatic system too. It helps clear out metabolic waste that builds up in your back during inactivity. Feel the tension leaving your lower back. This is where most office workers carry their stress. Let it go with each long, slow, purposeful exhale. You're doing great. This simple habit takes less than 2 minutes, but can save you from years of chronic pain and expensive doctor visits. This isn't just stretching. It is biological maintenance. You are literally lubricating your joints and feeding your bones with every single movement you make. Are you ready for the grand finale? Exercise number 1 is what I call the golden spine stretch. It is the most powerful move today. You only need a desk or a kitchen counter. This move provides total decompression of the entire spinal column, from the neck to the tailbone. Place your hands on the edge of the desk. Step back slowly until your arms are fully extended and your body forms a 90-degree angle. This is the L stretch. Drop your chest toward the floor. Keep your ears aligned with your arms. Feel the gravity pulling your spine into a straight line. Listen to your body. You should feel an incredible opening in your shoulders and a lengthening sensation through your entire lower back and your tight hamstrings. Gently sway your hips if it feels good. This micro movement helps release the deep connective tissues that keep your spine locked in a hunched position. Exhale as you sink deeper. This is the moment of peak decompression. It feels like a heavy weight has been lifted off your entire being. Hold this for 30 seconds. This is your secret weapon against the desk-bound life. Do this every 2 hours to stay pain-free forever. Walk your feet back in toward the desk to stand up. Take a moment to feel the blood rushing back through your rejuvenated and lengthened spine. Doesn't that feel amazing? You've just given your spine the reset it has been begging for. To summarize, open the chest with the butterfly, hydrate the discs with the twist, and decompress the entire column with the desk L stretch every day. I have a challenge for you. Do these 3 movements every single day for the next 14 days. Your body will feel completely different, I promise. Consistency is the only way to reverse years of damage. Your spine is a living organ that adapts to what you do with it every day. By day 14, you will notice fewer headaches, more energy, and that constant tightness in your shoulders will finally begin to vanish for good. What was your wall test score? Be honest. Comment your score below so we can track our progress together as a healthy spine community. You are not alone in this journey. Thousands are reclaiming their health. Your spine doesn't have to age just because your birthday passes every year. See, even I do this test every morning. It's my daily calibration. My spine stays 20, because I treat it with the respect it truly deserves. Pain is a message, not an enemy. Stop ignoring it. Use these tools to talk back to your body and give it what it needs. Take one last deep breath with me. Feel the space you've created in your body. This is what health feels like. Cherish this feeling every day. Share this video with one friend who sits at a desk all day. You might just save them from a lifetime of avoidable back pain. Don't wait for the pain to become unbearable. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now, this very moment. Every day is a new chance to heal. Your 14-day challenge starts the moment you finish this video. I believe in your ability to change. I'll be waiting for your updates in the comments. Go out there and stand tall. Your future self will thank you for the work today. Remember, test, open, twist, and decompress. These 4 steps are the foundation of a life without back pain. Keep this routine close to you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more life-changing health secrets, and I will see you in 14 days for your next spine checkup results.